In this video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the lattice stitch. This stitch is used in our shoreline bag. I'll be using our New Wave yarn in Duck Egg Blue with a 5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. So start off with a slip knot and make a foundation chain of 5 stitches plus 2. Make a turning chain of 4 stitches. And work 1 treble crochet into the 6th chain from your hook, making sure you aren't including the loop on your hook. Chain 2 stitches, then skip 3 stitches and work 2 treble crochet stitches. Now repeat this process of chaining 2, skipping 3 and working 2 treble crochet stitches till the end of your row. Once you get there, chain 1 and turn. Then work 2 single crochet stitches. Now working 3 single crochet stitches into the next chain space. Repeat these 2 steps until you have 2 stitches left. Then work 1 single crochet and 1 more into the top of the chain you made on the previous row. And there you have it. Continue with these steps to make the lattice stitch. Your stitch will start looking a little bit like this, the more foundation chain you do and the bigger your work gets. Thanks for watching.